Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the upcoming phone from the Asus, which is the Asus ROG Phone 5. So this is the Asus ROG Phone 5, which is going to launch on March 4th. And in this video, I'll try to go through the specifications of this complete phone and all the details about this device and what are the things to know as well. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, in case if you want to know more details about this this kind of smartphones. And there is another playlist which are available in the description below. So make sure to check the playlist for more videos. So let's get started. First thing is that, so this is a look of the new ROG Phone 5. So this is how it looks, and you can see the back side there's RGB color is going on, as you can see. So this is called the matrix display, which the ROG they did use on their laptops. So they did bring this kind of animation and this kind of lighting LED thing to the back side of the phone on the ROG Phone 5. So that's a very good advantage, where you can get unique colors and RGB colors on the back side. So let's see, friends, how this will function in the future once the phone get launched. And here are the few specifications about the device. So let's go by one by one. So starting with the processor. So processor, the Asus ROG Phone 5 has got the Snapdragon 888 processor. That's a top high-end processor right now, which is available. So that is the one thing regarding the processor. And the GPU, which is called the Adreno 660 GPU, as you can see, and UFS 3.1 storage, and starting with a 12 GB of RAM. So they did mention only 12 GB of RAM, so there is no 8 GB of RAM variant. So 12 GB of RAM variant is a base variant which they are going to introduce. So that's another good advantage. You are getting really amazing RAM in that. So now let's talk about the display. So in terms of the display, the phone has got the 6.7 inches screen size. That's a really good huge screen for the gaming if you're into that. And you do have the 144 Hz, and which is also another good advantage, and HDR10 plus certified as well, as you can see, friends, which is AMOLED panel. So not the IPS LCD, this is the AMOLED panel which is present. That's another really good advantage in this phone. So you're getting very big screen and very good higher refresh rate. And if possible, I'll try my best to get hands-on with this ROG Phone 5. So if I get hands-on with this ROG Phone 5, then I'll be able to compare so many videos with the other smartphones. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, if you want me to buy this phone. And next, let's talk about the camera. So camera has got very normal specifications only. I think the back side of the phone will be having maybe 64 megapixel lens, and which will be able to record 8K video or footage. And there is not much information available regarding the camera which is present backside. So overall, I was expecting there will be 3 cameras only on the backside of the phone. By looking at the images, we can come into the conclusion that there will be only 3 camera lens which is present on the backside. So as you can see, 64 megapixel lens. So these are the few details about the device, and let's talk about the battery. The battery of the phone will be having the 6000 mAh of the battery, and with 65 watt fast charging. So normally we are seeing the mobile phones with a 4500 mAh of battery with a 65 watt fast charging, but battery is so much good, and even the fast charging is also so good. So let's see, friends, how much time it actually takes 6000 mAh of battery of phone to charge using the 65 watt fast charging. So this is gonna be the very good advantage in this phone. You're not only getting the very good battery backup, but also you are getting the very good fast charging in the phone. That's a really good package which you are getting in this phone. And one last thing is that the phone might be having the 3.5mm jack in this phone. So there are a couple of rumors online going regarding the images of this ROG Phone 5, where it says 3.5mm jack will be present in this ROG Phone 5 device. So maybe a lot of companies are trying to bring back the 3.5mm jack. So recently we saw the Realme GT, they bought the 3.5mm jack to the Realme GT series, and now the ROG Phone 5, they are trying to bring back the 3.5mm jack. So let's see, friends, what going to happen. And thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos in the upcoming days, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.